The LG B20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A01 for corporate wireless. So the Galaxy A01 recently launched that corporate wireless, so if you guys are looking to get a budget phone, this is a phone worth checking out. The Galaxy A01 is $199.99. So do keep in mind, like I said, this is a budget phone, so do keep that in mind as well. So this is fine. This is what the phone looks like. The phone does look pretty nice, not bad, in terms of like design and stuff. It's available in black, so not too bad. So, anyways, on the front of the phone, you guys will see that it does have the teardrop notch for your front-facing camera. Power button on the right side, volume keys on the left side. On the left side, like I said, volume keys. And then on the back of the Galaxy A01, you also have dual cameras on back, camera flash sometime with in your speaker right here on the back. So, it's not much to this phone, like I said, budget phone. So, it says here the Samsung Galaxy A01 combines smartphone essentials with the trusted reliability of Samsung. The Galaxy A01 adds a beautiful 5.7-inch HD plus infinity display that provides vibrant viewing of pictures, videos, and web content. Use the feature-rich 13 plus 2 megapixel dual rear cameras and a 5 megapixel front camera to capture your favorite memories and selfies. So on the back of the phone, you guys have a 13 megapixel main camera plus a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera and a 5 megapixel front camera, right? So not too bad. Everything is bigger and better with the long-lasting 3000 mAh battery and the optical processor, a premium and slim design around the offerings for a great all-around value from a trusted brand. So here are some quick specs on the Galaxy A01. So you guys will have a 5.7-inch HD plus display that's edge-to-edge, octa-core processor, and 4G LTE speeds. I think it's an Exynos processor in this one, I think. On the back of the phone, you guys will have dual cameras, a 13 megapixel main camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera in the back with the LED flash, plus a 5 megapixel front facing camera for selfies and stuff like that. Also, you'll have a 3000 mAh battery with power saving mode, so that's nice. The storage is really low at 16 gigabytes. But you do have a micro SD card slot up to 512 gigs. And you also have Android 10 on board. Alright. So that's really good. It has Android 10. The storage is like low as hell. 16 gigabytes does not cut it in today's smartphone specs. Don't cut it. 16 gigs 10 years ago was like flagship 10 years ago. 16 gigabytes now, it's nothing. But 16 gigs 10 years ago, that was flagship specs then. But now 16 gigabytes ain't shit, so But this would be a great backup phone, Says hey, take your entertainment to the edge, and edge-to-edge 5.7-inch infinity display gives you plenty of room to scroll through your feed, stream videos, and more. Colors and details look bright and bold on its HD plus screen. Capture special moments, snap and share with ease thanks to the versatile cameras. Whether you are hanging with old friends or family, the 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel dual rear cameras can capture it all in clear detail and focus on what really matters and make your subject really stand out with live focus effects. So that's pretty cool. Charge up, power through. you need a friend you can rely on, and thanks to the long-lasting battery of the Samsung Galaxy A01, your friend will have enough power to do almost anything. You can spend more time scrolling, texting, and sharing, and less time looking for an outlet to recharge. I don't know if the battery is removable. I don't know if it is. The specs on the phone, like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so I did keep it in mind. So you have Android 10, which is really good. Your dimensions for the Galaxy A01 are 5.81 inches height, 2.79 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. 5.7 inch HD plus display, 16 gigabytes of storage with micro SD cards with up to 512 gigabytes of micro SD card expansion. 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, micro USB charging port. So do keep that in mind as well, that there is no Type-C on this. And you're also mobile hotspot capable, of course, but you do have to pay extra for that. The cameras on the back are 13 megapixel main and a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera with flash and full HD 1080p video, and then you have a 5 megapixel front facing camera with HD video. I'm assuming 720p. So yeah. Like I said, you do have an octa-core processor, the 3000 mAh battery. The battery is not removable. Hearing aids, repayment requirements, of course, qualifying monthly service plan is required. And accessories, if you guys want to get accessories for the Galaxy A01, there they are. But if you guys want to go and get a lot more range of accessories, go to Amazon and type in Galaxy A01 on Amazon to get accessories and stuff like that. So there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy A01 is not headquartered wireless for $199.99. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone, this is a phone worth checking out. Specs on here are not that great. This is a budget phone, so keep that in mind. The 16 gigabytes of storage is like the worst thing about this phone, because 16 gigabytes in today's smartphone market is not great. It's trash, and it will not get you by. But this would be a great backup phone, so that's good for that, for a backup phone. But for like a heavy user, this is not the phone to get. The only good thing about this phone, that it has Android 10, it has 4G LTE, and it has mobile hotspot capabilities. But other than that, the phone specs are not that great. So this would be a great backup phone. So yeah, there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy A01, now available at corporate wireless for $199.99. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.